Hey guys, how you doing today? Hello everyone. We are going to tour a beautiful lakefront in Granada, Nicaragua. It's actually 20 minutes away from the colonial city and a few more minutes to 𝗙𝗥𝗖𝗟𝗪. So thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's go and see it. Great. I like when people use slide doors because they're gonna save a lot of space. You can tell right away a beautiful center where you have the living section and the dining area, sharing the space with that kitchenette, which is a pretty good sized kitchen with an area for the breakfast. How many rooms do we have here? We have 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, high ceiling, double split air conditioning in the main living area, and each room is gonna have also its own air conditioning. Right away, you can sit in here and enjoy the view from the lake. That's actually a nice view. I love the way they put the fence because also keep the privacy, and during the sunset you open those doors and boom, you can put a towel and an umbrella and just enjoy the day. So let's see the rest of the house. This is actually one of the 3 buildings we have with the Palapa, and right here this is what they call it, the main suite, with a huge TV window where you can see the view. But definitely guys, if you want to enjoy and relax and take a rest, it's a perfect size. I like the way they set up the main bathroom here. It's also large with a bathtub, tiles, and your closet. When you come to the lake, or you have a house on the beach or close to the lake like this one, to have an extra water tank backup system on a tower, or just to have it with a pump system, that's very important. Don't forget that guys, when you buy a property on the ocean or close to the lake, the water service would not be the best, but definitely you can back it up with that kind of system. So in this case, you have two tanks, one above the floor with a pump system, and by gravity you have an extra tank over there. You can see they also have the antenna for internet service. You have the playground for your kids, so if you have a party, that's a great space. And that's the 3rd building where you have 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. It's a very basic concept, but you could do a better job and convert it into something completely different. You can do 2-story here. Yes, you can. There are not restrictions like at other locations. So if you have this beautiful piece of property with this shape of the land, you can actually add extra rooms if you need to on the 2nd level. Again, wide open garden, 2 doors coming from the main road. You have the main one and the main entrance, which is a double door, and you have the gate doors for your parking space with electronic system. Beautiful space for your parking. Straight to this Palapa. Right here you have a toilet, perfect if you're coming from a swimming lake. And then right here a shower. You want to clean everything from the water, you know, all the sand. Look at this huge table made of 1 piece of timber. Beautiful living edge. Just under this Palapa you can imagine to entertain a party, a happy birthday, or just a family reunion. This is excellent. Your bar, the beautiful tiles keeping that rustic color, outdoor open, catch it all the time, the breeze. Imagine sitting in all the chairs and enjoy the sunset. Right there, I want to see the studio because they have an extra studio office, fully equipped with the kitchen, 8 bathrooms, and air conditioning. Let's go. Look at this. Oops. Nothing happened, don't worry. Anyway, wide open, your beds and everything you need here. I love the sofa section with your TV. Air conditioning, mandatory. View from the lake, catch it also that breeze. I love the slide doors with curtains, especially if you want to reduce the light. And right here, look at this kitchen size, I like it. Granite stove, everything you need is just right here with the oven and your microwave. I'm sure if you're planning for vacation, stay for a couple days, this place has everything you need. Love the way they frame it with wood. And there you go. Yes, a full and equipped full bathrooms right here. Perfect. Open, great breeze and view, and a good sized bed. Remember, if you have a big group coming to stay here, you can also set up 2, even 3 beds, no problem. But if you have a reunion, you have a wedding, or you're renting this place on Airbnb or any other platform, this home can easily entertain over 20 people. Thank you guys for watching this video today. Here you are, my telephone number and my email. We're going to have this listing and all the social media very soon. Thank you, 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗢𝗪, who's helping us to film this property today. We are just 20 minutes away from Granada and the road to 𝗙𝗥𝗖𝗪𝗪. So I want to see you in the next adventure.